Athletes from all over the Commonwealth. दिल्ली के सभी क्रीड़ा प्रेमी नागरिक भाइयों और बहनों, नमस्कार। Seven years, 70,000 hours of effort, the glare of the world cameras, hopes and aspiration of a billion, and the determination of a rising superpower. India is ready to host the great Commonwealth Games. Thank you, dear athletes, for being here and for getting ready to showcase your amazing talent and skills to the world. Enjoy your stay in Delhi and your competition. We are prepared to deliver a great games. Yes, our dream is coming true. Yes, India's big moment is finally here. Jai Hind.
The President of the Commonwealth Games Federation, Michael Fennell, has had a testing time in the build-up to these games. Next, it was his turn to speak.
To the people of Delhi, you have welcomed us to your country and to your city with your traditional warmth and fine hospitality. The athletes and their accompanying officials who are here to participate in the Games have been touched by your kindness and your enthusiasm for being good hosts. And it has demonstrated yet again that through sport, true friendship and unity can be achieved in the midst of adversity.